Hello everyone and welcome to Fine Arts YouTube channel. In this video we will draw a dolphin playing a ball. First I am drawing the dolphin. It's going to be a cute dolphin. Look, our dolphin is almost complete. Let's draw his eyes. And now I am drawing the ball. Our drawing is complete. Let's paint it together. Blue, light blue, dark blue, red, yellow, green, blue. Bye bye friends, see you in the next video.